Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw numbers 1 to 20. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids, now I draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use red color. O-N-E-1. Kids, again use red color and draw 2. T-W-O-2. Kids, now draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use yellow color. Yellow color. T-H-R-W-3. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 4. F-O-U-R 4. Kids, now draw 5. The numbers of 5 and use blue color. F-I-V-E 5. Kids, now draw 6. And again use blue color. S-I-X 6. The numbers of 6. Kids, now draw 7. The numbers of 7 and use black color. Black color. S-E-V-E and 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids, now draw 9. The numbers of 9 and use green color. Green color. N-I-N-E 9. 10. T-E and 10. Kids, now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use red color. Red color. 12. The numbers of 12. Kids, now draw 13. The numbers of 13 and use yellow color. Yellow color. 14. The numbers of 14. Kids, now draw 15. The numbers of 15 and use blue color. Blue color. 16. The numbers of 16. Kids, now draw 17. The numbers of 17 and use black color. Black color. 18. The numbers of 18. Kids, now draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use green color. Green color. 20. The last numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.